For this video, we are calling all campers. Camper alert. You're going to need this for your next trip. It's the Aferiy 3600 watt portable power station. This combined with a 400 watt solar panel. Aferiy gave me both of these for free so I can make this video showing them to you. Perfect for the campers. Let me show you why. We got that 3600 watts, which means we can run 30 amps. If we lift this little door here, boom. We have our 30 amp RV plug. You got your little travel trailer, your pop-up, your little camper guy. You're running your 30 amp right there, plugging it in. You don't got to worry about having electrical where you're going. This guy can supply it. Then we're going to combine it with that 400 watt solar panel, and this thing can actually take up to 2,000 watts as an input from solar. On the back here, we have our XT90 plug. That is our solar input. And then we have our AC plug on this side, which brings me to one of the things I love about this portable power station. We have this dial here, right? We can control the input wattage of the AC outlet. Couple of things about that. You'll prolong the battery in here. You'll get more life out of that battery if you charge at a lower rate. Also, depending what you are plugged into, you may not want the full 1500 watts. You may pop a circuit, or if you have, let's say you have another power station, you want to use one power station to charge the other, you want to link those guys together, 1500 watts may be too much for that. Maybe it can only do 500 watts or 300 watts, something like that. So you can control, which is really nice, a nice little addition that I haven't seen in any other portable power stations I have. While we're up at the front here, of course, you have all your USB outlets. You can charge your phone, you can do all the basics, but you're really not getting something this size to do this little basic stuff. You also have your DCs, your cigarette lighters. This is an XT60, which is a lot like the 90, just a little bit different, smaller physically, can't carry as much amperage, but that's an output on this side. Everything on this side is outputs. And of course down here we have 4 outlets, total of 20 amps, and again our RV outlet. Really amazing for the campers, that 3600 watts. It's a big boy battery in there, 3840 watt hours, so a lot of stuff you can do with this thing. But if you want, we have extra battery ports on here. So Aferiy has where you can just get extra batteries, hook those up, and extend the capacity of this guy so you can run even more, run stuff even longer. 3600 watts, go ahead, go around your house, your RV, start looking at stuff. It runs just about everything. Even a space heater, maybe 1500 watts, you could run 2 on your RV. You could run the air conditioner and you could run coffee maker, you know? 2 high draw devices can run at once on this guy. To show you it in action, I plugged in this little space heater. It is on high, turned all the way up there, because things that create heat are the biggest draw for, well, anything. So this is going to be putting it to the test. Now I have it already plugged in. We just have to turn on the AC outlets and we will see this guy in action. So it's going to bring down how long it's going to last. Of course, we're just below half a charge on this. We're going to see our output watts, how much that space heater is drawing on us. And of course, we don't have any input right now, but if it was a nice sunny day, which it is not, I'd plug in that solar panel and I could show you the input and output at the same time. Now, as this is running, another really important feature with this guy, it can be used as an uninterrupted power supply. So you will plug this into the wall, you will plug your device into the front here, and if your power goes out, instantly it switches, this thing picks up the power, and your device never turns off. Really good for things that are really important to not turn off unexpectedly. So while it's plugged into the wall, it basically bypasses the power station. The power just flows right through, but as soon as that power's kicked off, the UPS kicks in, and it'll keep your device running for you. So you see we're drawing 1464 watts there. So it'll run for 1 hour at that rate. Now here is our 400 watt solar panel. Look at that. Look at all them panels. That thing is impressive looking. Folds all up, has Velcro that easily carry it around. You also have these little metal grommets at the corners with little bugs on them, but the bugs don't come with it. You got the little grommets there so you could hang it or do a little bit more permanent solution, or if you have a way that you use it all the time. Then we have these little kickstands that hold it up. You do have grab handles with little snaps on it, so when it's all folded up and ready to go, look at that, 400 big watts out of that. Now I want to give you a quick look at all the stats on this guy just so you can take a look at it for yourself, so we are all familiar with what we got here. Which leads me to my next point. As you may imagine, this guy is a little bit hefty. It does have the wheels down there, but then we have this luggage style handle, so we can just pull it up, give it a roll, and we're on the go. We're mobile, nice and easy. So there it is, guys, the Aferiy. gonna plug them solar panels in and get it all charged up. Getting ready for the next camping trip. Spring is right around the corner. There it is. Thanks for watching.